All right, let's take a look at problem number 1 where it says let f of x be equal to 5x plus 2 over 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. Part A of this problem asks for what value or values is the function undefined. So the first thing I want to do is just refresh your memory on the fact that anytime you have something being divided by 0, that's going to give you undefined. Matter of fact, if you just take your calculator and take any number and divide it by 0, it should either say error or UND for undefined. Now we have this rational function here, so if we take the get my pen. If we take the denominator, the polynomial that's in the denominator, and apply this concept here, then we just set the denominator, what's in the denominator, equal to 0. So let's see, 8x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So now I want to solve this for x, because the values of x is going to cause, that make this statement true, is going to cause the function f of x to, there's going to be a 0 in the denominator, and it's going to cause the function f of x to be undefined. So when I factor this, I should get two binomials. The first one is quantity 2x minus 1 times the quantity 4x plus 3 equal to 0. And at this point, you should be familiar with how to deal with this, where you take each of these binomials and set them individually to 0, and then solve for x. So I'll solve this first one over here. And let's see, 1. Divide both sides here by positive 2. And the result is x equal to positive 1/2. For my second solution, say 4x equals to negative 3, and then divide both sides by positive 4, and the result is x is equal to negative 3/4. So my solutions for this particular problem, and I'll put them in order. So the first one will be negative 3/4, and the second one will be positive 1/2. You plug these values into the function f of x, you will get undefined.